Spinning up to 110,000 RPM, the Dyson digital motor is the heart of a new kind of hairdryer. It's faster and lighter than some motors, which can make other hairdryers top-heavy. This motor sits comfortably in the handle, while a microprocessor monitors air temperature 20 times a second to prevent extreme heat damage and help protect natural shine. Dyson Supersonic.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.